a SIM code. Understanding incident response, a comprehensive guide to managing cybersecurity incidents. Introduction to incident response. In today's digital landscape, cybersecurity threats range from simple phishing attempts to sophisticated nation-state attacks. Organizations without a structured incident response (IR) framework struggle to contain and mitigate security breaches. A well-planned IR strategy ensures quick mitigation, minimal damage, and a return to normal operations. Example: a single phishing email leading to ransomware crippling an enterprise's operations. The incident response process. The IR process consists of 6 key phases, as outlined by NIST. This structured approach ensures organizations respond effectively to cyber threats and minimize damage. Each phase, from preparation to post-incident review, plays a critical role in mitigating threats. Example: following the NIST framework ensures timely identification and resolution of security incidents. Preparation phase. Preparation involves setting up an IR team, defining policies, and ensuring tools are available. Organizations should conduct regular training and simulations. This phase includes defining an incident response plan, training employees, and acquiring necessary forensic tools. Example: a company organizes annual cybersecurity drills to test IR readiness and improve response strategies. Detection phase. Detection is critical to identifying threats early. This involves continuous monitoring of security logs, deploying CM solutions, and leveraging threat intelligence. Security teams must analyze alerts and investigate anomalies. Example: a CM alert notifies security teams about an unauthorized login attempt from an unusual IP address, prompting immediate investigation. Analysis phase. This phase investigates the nature and scope of an attack. Digital forensics helps understand the breach, determine the attacker's entry point, and identify affected systems. Analysts collect evidence such as log files, network traffic data, and malware samples. Example: analysts discover a data exfiltration attempt through unauthorized file transfers, leading to proactive containment measures. Containment phase. Containing the threat prevents further spread and limits damage. Organizations isolate affected systems, block malicious IPs, and disable compromised accounts. Temporary solutions may be applied while a long-term fix is devised. Example: a compromised server is removed from the network to prevent attackers from accessing other systems within the organization. Eradication and recovery. The eradication process involves removing threats and restoring systems from backups. Security patches are applied to prevent recurrence. Organizations conduct thorough system scans to ensure complete removal of malware. Example: an organization restores data from backups and applies necessary patches after a ransomware attack to resume operations safely. Post-incident activities. Lessons learned from an incident help refine future response strategies. Post-mortem reviews and security audits strengthen defenses and help prevent recurrence. Documentation of the incident response process is crucial for compliance and training purposes. Example: updating CM rules to detect similar threats based on past incidents and improving employee awareness through cybersecurity training sessions. The role of digital forensics. Digital forensics plays a crucial role in understanding cyber incidents. Evidence collection, root cause analysis, and documentation help identify threats and legal implications. Example: forensic analysts investigate a breached server to determine how attackers gained access and what data was compromised. Testing the IR framework. Organizations must regularly test their IR plans to ensure effectiveness. Methods include tabletop exercises, red team/blue team engagements, and penetration testing. Example: a red team attack simulates a real-world cyber threat, helping an organization refine its detection and response strategies. Conclusion. In conclusion, having a robust incident response (IR) strategy is essential to protect against and recover from cybersecurity incidents. By preparing for potential threats, detecting incidents early, and efficiently containing, eradicating, and recovering from them, organizations can minimize damage and resume normal operations quickly. Regular testing, training, and continuous improvement are key to staying ahead of evolving threats.